In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a form in Notion to collect information such as registrations, feedback, or survey responses. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page. Type Form and select Form, or choose a form from the available templates if your workspace supports Notion forms. Give your form a clear title and description so people know what it's for. You can also add an icon and a cover image to personalize the page. Add the fields you need, such as name, email, phone number, date, or multiple choice questions. Mark important fields as required if respondents must complete them. Preview the form to make sure everything looks correct and the questions are in the right order. Make any changes before sharing it. When you're ready, click Share to copy the form link, then send it to others or embed it wherever you want to collect responses. That's how to create forms in Notion. Thanks for watching.